Everybody, Wesley here with Superior Boat Repair and Sales. Today we're going to go over a quick how-to reinstall your platform. We know it's getting warm out there and you guys are itching to get out in the water. So for those of you that have wetsuits and want to get back out there, we just want to show you real quick how to properly install your platform. So these big, beautiful platforms, they're heavy and kind of expensive. So I recommend having two people to install the platform.